Hey guys, it is Peridots 57150 coming at you with a new segment to Peridots Beach Day Adventure. Right now we are at Fort picking up bicycles. Yeah, we have to get set up, dude. So right now, me and Zach and Dad are waiting for him to unload a bunch of... A wild sparrow appears. I don't know if y'all heard that. Hold up. Let's go look at it. Zach, watch your pulse.
I did use something there.
Yeah, for $1 million. Holy crap! Yeah, I would not jump in that.
Yeah. That crap would be dangerous.
Get it, dude. It would probably kill you.
Yeah.
Literally. Okay then. Whoa.
That heron! Look at this head!
Oh my god.
It's a heron!
See here.
Oh, it's so precious!
I don't know if y'all can see that.
Oh, it's a blue heron!
It's a blue heron. Oh, I speak bird English.
Dude.
Yeah, he doesn't look too amused. I am deeply offended. I am deeply offended. And I choose you! You stay still and look up at me. It's super bright. Anyways, it's the light. Anyways, it's the end segment next week's day. Oh yeah, we are gonna go do a little bit of exploring because we're in Fort Pickens. We're going to an aquarium and some jail cells. That's gonna be fun. Maybe I can.
I broke into Fort Pickens. Well, never mind.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't have said that. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of Peridots Beach Day Adventure segment, and I hope to see y'all in the next segment. Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, where's the pause button?